All right, we're in front of the Hillsborough County Courthouse. We're headed up to courtroom number 426J. Very familiar for us for another hearing. This one is for contempt of court because they're saying we're not giving them information on how to seize our money, which we did. All right, this is a familiar place here. This is the courtroom where the trial took place, and we've got another hearing. UPS's attorneys trying to hold me in contempt of court for not giving them interrogatories, basically, where all our money is. Hopefully this will go well. I don't think it's going to go well for UPS because it's just going to show how petty they are and how they're just harassing and trying to bankrupt a small business, which they've been trying to do for years and years. Ah, what a day. Okay. Well, we just returned home from the afternoon hearing, which was an attempt by UPS to force us to deliver interrogatories. Basically, that's to tell them where all our money resides. If we had refused, then UPS could have asked the judge to punish us with a contempt of court for the delay. UPS is still trying to use legal technicalities to bully us, just like they did when they told the judge we deliberately delayed the trial to cost them money. But we were the ones that were victimized by our former law firm's withdrawal 1 week out from trial. We informed the judge that we were the ones that were blindsided by our former law firm's terrible decision, but the judge ignored us and forced us to pay $274,000 to UPS for their legal expenses because of the delay. Our previous lawyers claimed that I had committed some kind of ethics violation, although they gave no details about my supposed ethics problem. But the day before my lawyers withdrew from the case, they demanded a substantial trial deposit. And so we made a trip downtown and gave them a check. Then the very next day, they dropped the case without any advance notice. What happened? What ethics violation did they uncover in those last 24 hours? Nobody knows. Today's hearing was also an attempt by UPS's lawyers to intimidate and pressure me based on the $274,000 legal sanctions ruling, with UPS claiming that we were hiding our assets from them. The actual situation is that our lawyer had sent UPS a letter over a week ago asking for their cooperation in collecting the funds that are currently being held by UPS. UPS has been using the judgment as an excuse to seize our bank funds almost daily, which is pushing our company towards bankruptcy. They have frozen $100,000 in our Amazon account, Walmart, and American Express. Why have they not collected this money to satisfy the judgment? Counting the funds that they had previously seized from our bank accounts, the total amount exceeds the judgment by nearly $30,000. Now, we requested that UPS remove the garnishments from our bank accounts, which are killing linentablecloth.com, but we received no reply from them on this. Here's a letter from Customs after their attempt to withdraw duties from our bank failed because UPS had removed all of the money from it. If they fail again, well, let me just read what will happen from this letter. Failure to make payment to provide legal justification of non-payment will result in suspension of immediate release privileges in accordance with, I'm not going to read the numbers, meaning basically we won't be able to import anything and we will be out of business. So when our lawyer pointed out these facts to UPS's lawyer today at the hearing, you know what he said? I didn't know that. Really? Freezing excess money, an amount above the judgment, is strictly prohibited by law. They know this. But it seems that UPS can violate these rules anytime, and we all have to just consider it insignificant. But if we appear to do even the slightest thing wrong, the hammer is thrown at us. So the actual hearing is delayed about 2 weeks so that the two lawyers can work things out between them, and so we won't waste any more of the court's valuable time. So keep watching to see how things unfold. Thanks for watching.